Hey, Sylwia here, and welcome all to my Toonimal review. So, let's talk about Toonimal. Guys, this is the newest launch by this vendor here. I have discovered him quite recently, I must say. Well, he actually reached out to me with his new product, dropped me the review access, and I was very pleasantly surprised because it's a beautiful, lovely, very cute product which comes with PLR rights on top of that. Okay, so what you're getting here, guys, is a collection of handcrafted, super unique, done from scratch children video stories in a vertical format. So I'll present all of the information I have here for you, including obviously the members area. I have checked everything out. I'm pretty happy to promote this product. So you will find a link to the sales page below my review, well, in the description box, right? Okay, this product goes live tomorrow on the 8th of February at 9 a.m. New York time. And the end of the launch is the 12th of February. Okay, so let's get to it. As I said, this is the vendor. He has launched a few products recently. He's kind of, I see, he's not that like, you know, he's not like one of the top vendors, but I can see that he's into creating very good quality products. He takes his sweet time to put them together. All has been done by scratch. As you can see, he did launch a few already, and his sales are going up, so I like to see that, and he's been quite consistent. So cool. Happy to support that, you know, by all means. And now I have also some cool bonuses, guys, for those who decide to pick up this product, again via the link below my review in the description box. And I give you guys a bunch of super cool bonuses which will help you with traffic generations. Okay, so because since they are PLR products, you may want to resell them. Obviously, you can customize them, you can rebrand them, you can just make them into your own products. So let's start from the members area. Well, actually, no, I'm gonna show you the sales page first. So because it is beautifully presented, it, you know, talks about what this product is all about without beating around the bush, without, you know, keeping it too much of a secret. I mean, I do get it that sometimes vendors don't want to give away too much on the sales page. I mean, that's the that's the art of selling, but at the same time, you know, you do want to get a pretty good idea what kind of product you would be buying. Okay, so yeah, cool, beautiful, magical looking, enchanting sales page. The front end, as you can see, one-time payment of $12.95. Guys, you will have all of the features here, and the cool thing is that I love it that, you know, you can rebrand all of those videos with a free account of Canva. So they would be hosted on Canva. Canva is all for graphics, right? All to do with graphics. You can do pretty much anything with Canva to do with graphics again. So yeah, but I'll show you how you'll go about doing that once we are inside of the members area. So he does say that Toonimal with PLR features, you know, comes with PLR features, so private label rights, which means you can not only resell them, keep 100% of the profits, but obviously rebrand them, customize them, edit them how you want. Meticulously crafted collection of over 30 cartoon animated kids story videos. So showcasing animal characters, and each story comes with a moral to it. So with a message, okay, something to teach, something good, some good values that, you know, your children can learn from them. So here they are, all nicely listed on the sales page, all of them, so you can pretty much see what you're getting. And then, like with Canva, you would be changing the logo here, like putting your name to it, your logo, however you want it. And let me just perhaps play one of them.
Once upon a time. In the vast ocean, Dolly the dolphin swam gracefully, her sleek body gliding through the waves. One day, as she explored the coral reef, Dolly discovered a lonely seashell with a mysterious glow. Intrigued, Dolly picked up the seashell, and to her surprise, it emitted a soft...
So there you go. I'm not gonna play it all because you can do it yourself, guys, but as you can see, very stunning looking images, professional voiceover. You have the text, you have the music, the super cool intro. Children will love. I know my daughter, as I was going through this product last night, okay, checking it out, she played some of them and she loved them. She's almost 10 though. She still loved them. She wanted to see them all. I was like, well, you know, here's your proof. Children love it. And yeah, you have, he says, like, there is a moral to each of them. Like this Dolly, the deer, teaches that mother's love is powerful and protective. True that. It shows how moms like Dolly can make big sacrifices to keep their children safe, leaving a lasting impact on those they care for. Nothing like mother's love, that's for sure. Okay, so there you go. Cool product, very cute, very sweet. Comes with you know, a lot of potential because this children's stories niche is super popular. I don't know. I mean, there's always buyers and buyers for it. And these are videos as well. So not just stories, but videos, vertical videos, which kids can watch on the mobile, right? It's not something I would personally recommend, to be brutally honest with you. I limit my daughter's time, big time, you know, when it comes to the screen time. But, you know, every now and again, it's fine, right? We don't want to get too paranoid about it. So, well, it's much better when if they read instead of watching, but it is what it is. I see, like, even on the plane and all of that, my daughter is reading a book and most children are glued to the screens. So I'm like the weirdo. Sometimes I feel like a dinosaur, you know, which is a nice feeling, to be honest. You know, I'm happy with that. But when I see what's happening around the world, it's undeniable. You know, people are hooked to the devices. Now, feeling a little bit hypocritical here, like, even though I don't promote this sort of lifestyle, like, I'm all about healthy stuff. I've just done yoga. I think I did overdid yoga, to be honest with you. I'm all in pain, but it's good pain. But hey ho, I am on YouTube myself, right? So yeah, it's about finding the balance. We cannot avoid, you know, technology these days and the devices altogether because it's just impossible, I guess. It's about finding the balance. So yeah, maybe I'm not too much of a hypocrite then. You know, but yeah, I'm just being brutally honest. So anyhow, well, they do sell videos, like children's stories like this one. So guys, if you want to make money, you may want to try and sell them on platforms like Etsy, and I give you a training on that. This desktop vertical video training, again, pulling more traffic, will teach you how to do vertical videos using your laptop. AI Reels is a training course on how to create both standard and vertical videos using human avatars, and it can be all done for free. So you know, these are all training courses. And the last one about Etsy, full-blown training course from A to Z, how to crash it on Etsy, how to sell, how to set up your shop on Etsy and sell products on Etsy, is from A to Z. And it comes with PLR rights as well, okay? So now let me show you the members area. So I do love how it's been put together here on one page, very neatly organized. So here you have the front end, and below you will have upsells, good upsells too, you know, congruent with the front end. I'll talk about them at the end. So now let me show you the front end. So first, watch that video. It's a training video on how to customize those videos. Okay, so using a free account on Canva, very easy to customize them like this. You know, you change up. You are shown here how to do that, okay? and then you download it with your logo, you can change up the colors, you can just put your own branding to it, and then download it, and voila, okay, the original product. So you have the training video first, and this is where you import the videos from. So let me show you. So you've got over 30 videos here on 4 pages. So how you would go about customizing them, you just click through. So let's check out this Oliver the Octopus, invisible hero, right? So something like that. Then you click on use template for new design, because you have to. So you have to remove the Toonimal logo, and you go bit by bit, one by one, okay? Or the changes can be applied to all slides at once. You just need to know how to use Canva, but again, there is a video tutorial on how to do the customization. All right, and what else do we have here? So then you have your license. So important to know that you can resell it, but you cannot resell it with PLR rights, right? I think that's clear. And you cannot sell on platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, but by all means on Amazon, on Etsy, and there are various other platforms, okay, for selling products like that. And you cannot use Toonimal brand in any form or manner, as they say here, so you have to create your own. Very easy to do that with Canva. And here are your rights. So, and then you will have this box shot with CD template. So yeah, which you will be able to customize as well. So that's pretty cool. And you will have some extra AI images from here, and you can even access the scripts. So if you want to, well, turn this text, okay, into books, you can do that as well. You have the text here, and you don't have to sell them as videos. You can just sell them as books as well. So multiply your income streams, this way. Because some children just prefer, I would say parents, would prefer to buy books for the children, not let them watch too many videos. That was my point. Okay guys, so here is the sales page again. The link to it is below my review, guys. There will be some upsells. You can, once you've purchased the front end, you will be presented with the upsells. So there you go. This is the funnel, or maybe I'll show you the funnel from here. Now OTO number 1, this Toonimal Pro, is another extra. How many? 100 videos. Story videos like that. Then you will have the storybook, audiobook version, storybook and audiobook version, so both the storybook and the audiobook, just the audio. You can use it for, let me click through and show you this one because it's quite interesting. Toonimal storybook version and audiobook, just to unlock a universe of possibilities, so you can sell them as stories. Here you have you have the slides like this with the text on it, but right below you have the audio. However you want to put it together, only your imagination is the limit here. And there you have a masterclass on Canva, and the last upsell would be 700 plus Canva mockup template with PLR. So there you go, loads of mockups with PLR rights. Alright, so that was my Toonimal review, guys. Again, this product is going live tomorrow on the 8th of February, and the link to the sales page will be right below my review. Okay, ciao, love you and leave you, bye!